Hi guys, my name is Jam Asif and today I will tell you one of the interesting features which Microsoft have introduced recently about Dynamics 365 model-driven apps, Power Apps. So this feature is called Command Checker for Model App Ribbons. So what is this Command Checker? Actually, this is about the ribbon are available ribbons or buttons available in your Dynamics CRM 365. So if you want to check about the enable and disable roles and which JavaScript function is called on the click of that button, if you want to check all these kind of things at interface level without downloading your solution to your Visual Studio or other tools, and without digging into the XML, you can see all these things at interface level. Let me go through first of all to the main points, and then I will go through directly on the Dynamics CRM so that you can easily check. So here you can see they have introduced app ribbons button tool in the Power Apps by Microsoft. So Command Checker is an app tool. So in this app tool, you can understand why the buttons are hidden or shown as I told you, and how you can enable this Command Checker. You have to just write the ribbon debug is equal to true. This text. Once you will write this ribbon debug is equal to true in your Dynamics CRM URL. After that, your Command Checker will be enabled for your environment, and then you can perform the steps which I will show you. Let me directly go to the Dynamics CRM now. Let me go to my apps. Actually, this functionality is really interesting and time saving. So let me go to my apps. I have my custom app. I will open it. So in this URL, you see this is my organization URL. After the app ID query string, I will after this and I will put ribbon debug equal to true, and I will enter. Once this page will be loaded, automatically Command Checker option will come here. After this advancement option, you see if you want to check the Command Checker options related to your landing page, you can just click here. It will show you the commands related to your landing page, but to see the real things, I will take you to the account. Form. This is account form. So once this form will be loaded, you can see these 3 dots are having more options here. From here you can see the Command Checker. So once I will click on this Command Checker on account form, it will show me the Command Checker options for this account form. See, so this window is showing me this command bar is for account, and it's what is the command bar ID, what is the group ID. You can see all these features if you know that how to add or disable or enable the ribbon buttons. In Dynamics CRM, we are putting all these examples and then installing or importing the solution and while changing or disabling it. So if you want to see at interface level, this command checker is very good option. So at this account level, you see it's giving me all options. It's having different groups. So the hidden buttons which are not disabled on this form, these are disabled, and the buttons which are available at this form, those are with a little bit black text, and it's not grayed. Remaining buttons are grayed, so which means those buttons will not be available for the functionality. So let me click on this new button. So this new button properties will show what is the ID and what is the control type. Of course, it's a button, and what is the command, and this is the main ID which we are using in the code level. What is the label, and what is the sequence of this button. All these properties are available, and this button is part of its solution. It will show you. So let me go back again. So now if you want to see the further details of this button, just click on the command properties. Here you will see the button enable, disable, and action rules. So on this button's action, which JavaScript function is calling, this is the function name. And by default, system function is available, which we are calling. What is the library of this JavaScript? Which JavaScript file is having this function? And what is the parameter? Everything is available at the interface level. So what is the enable rules? So when it will be enabled, when it will be disabled, those rules are available. See, so what is the display rules? So under these conditions, you can see this button is displayed. So you can see everything is available. So this delete button, let's see this delete button, same thing is available here, properties available. So I think this is one of the interesting feature, and that's why I made this video, to show the new feature capability, which is called command checker, and I showed you how you can enable it on your organization, on your environment. So I hope you like this video, and that's it for the day. Be safe, stay safe, everybody. Everything will be fine, don't worry from this corona. Take care.